to tell you a story why the slime is on. So guys, when I went to school today, when we were doing fun stuff, because on the last day of school you obviously do fun stuff, and so when we were doing that, this kid came up to me and asked me, they asked me, hey, do you want to hang out and stuff? And I didn't even know them, and they're like a boy, so I was like, sure, I guess, because I didn't know them. I just wanted to find more about them, because I don't know everybody in the school yet. At my old school I did. So I asked them, and then when I was asking the dude, his girlfriend came up to me and whacked me in the face. Literally whacked me in the face. And she punched me and I fell down to the ground, and I was bleeding all over. My eye was cut up, it was split open. The side of my eye was split, and I was bleeding everywhere. I was dripping blood. And then when I went to the office, I got called. My mum picked me up. Then we went to a hospital and I had to get it stitched. And when I got it stitched, I asked if I could get a stitch that you couldn't see. They said it wouldn't work like that. But they said in 2 to 3 days, you shouldn't be able to see the stitch. So I was like, great. And then when I went back to my bag, when I went back to class, because I went to the toilet and I asked that boy. So I went back to class, and then when we were doing our colorings and stuff, we girl gossiped and stuff. And then, because we didn't have that many people, so we girl gossiped. And when we were girl gossiping, it was the bell went. So then we went outside to get our lunchbox and our hats to go out and play and eat. And then when we I went to go get it out of my bag. And right in my lunchbox, I was looking for my squishy, and my squishy wasn't anywhere to be found in my bag. And I found a little envelope in my bag, so I opened it up, and it said, I love you in it. It said, I love you, Scarlett, with a ring. Seriously. Yeah, seriously. It had a ring. It said, will you marry me, Scarlett? I love you. I'll show you the writing. I'll just pop you guys here. Well, you guys can just stare at the sign. You guys can just read what it says on the back of here. I am gone. Can you do that? You guys think what the slime is made out of. You guys can think what it's made out of. Okay, so I'm going to go get it out of my school pocket. Okay, guys, I got it. Sorry you've been waiting there for that long. Okay, guys, let me show you. So I folded it up so it would fit in my school pocket. So here it is. Let me just zoom out. So there it is, the card. It says Christmas wishes. And then when you open it up, it says this in it. Here, let me read it to you. I love you so much. I wanted to ask you if you could marry me. Look in that envelope. Love you. Merry Christmas. To Scarlett from Secret Admirer. And it has a heart. And then I found a ring in the envelope. A ring. A literal ring. Seriously? A ring that came with the card? Maybe it was a boy that wanted to talk with me earlier. It could have been my boyfriend, but I don't know. I'll see you guys later. I have to call him. Peace. Bye.